Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, I'm here at Kaplan Cycles with my friend Joe from Speed and Sport in Pennsylvania.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for coming up. They're a Yamaha dealer down there that had this brand new 3.7 miles IT400 on their showroom floor for decades. And I have the original title to it right here. This bike's never, it's got the original manufacturer certificate of origin from Yamaha City to Charles Gaines. He's the only owner of this bike in 1979. So it is absolutely spectacular. Tell us what you know about it, Joe.
We bought it about 15 years ago off eBay. It was an eBay auction, and just had it displayed in our showroom. Didn't really do anything with it. The only thing we did was we replaced the tank decals on it because they were peeling. So we just replaced those. Everything else is untouched from the day we got it.
Original tires, original chain and sprockets, everything.
Yep.
Check it out. They've never washed it. It's got the cobwebs from 1979 on it still. So we are going to give it a steam clean and a full comprehensive, professionally done detail so as not to mar any of the original finishes. But before we do that, check this out. It's got the original owner's manual and the tool pack in here. So the only thing even close to this is the only other one I've seen that was this brand new is the IT490 we have in the museum that's never had gas in a tank, and that one has like 0.7 miles on it from pushing it around. I think that one's, well, the 490 is I think it's an 80 something, that one there, but this one's a 79, correct?
Yes.
1979. So how old does that make it? 46 years? Is that sorry?
Yes, 46 years.
Well, in 2029, it'll be 50 years, right?
Yep.
So in 3 years, it'll be 50 years old. So I don't know who buys a brand new bike and parks it for 50 years, but God bless them. It's up for grabs. It's going to be sold at eBay auction. It is a little dusty right now. We're going to take the chain off and put it through the parts washer and get all the grease, the old hardened grease off of it, clean the sprocket, steam clean it. We're not going to paint anything, just going to clean it and do what we call a preservation service, a rotisserie detail from the bottom of the tires to the top. Every square inch of it will be cleaned, so it'll be spotless when you get it. Anything else you'd like to tell the viewers about it?
It's probably one of the last brand new IT400s you'll see.
When's the last time you've seen a brand new one besides this? I haven't seen
79.
one. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yep. I was 14 years old.
And actually, 79 is the year I started at our shop. So I've been working at our shop since 79.
Wow. That's the year you opened the shop?
No, it's where I started working there.
Yeah. So they've been around longer than that?
Oh, yeah. We were franchised in 65.
Oh, wow.
And
is it a family business? Or?
Yes, it is, but I'm kind of an adopted family. But he started selling, the owner of the store started selling Yamahas in 63, but became franchised in 65.
Hey guys, pay no attention to the ATC Honda three-wheeler, right? 500 right there, one of one. Or the pack of deers that just walked through here. That's on the Instagram video, but you never know what's going to show up at Kaplan Cycles. I had no idea you were coming today, and I had no idea this ATC 500 was going to roll in here.
Yeah, that's a nice piece.
James came in and he goes, I got something special for you outside, Kenny. You got to check this out. But look at the headlight on that thing. It's got like a Baja Designs headlight on it.
Looks like it's LED.
Super cool piece. Can't wait to fire that up. But this IT400 is one of one new IT400s for sale on planet Earth today. I don't think there's another new one. You can check, but you won't find another new one. We looked. There's not another new one for sale anywhere online today. And no record of any new ones being sold that I could find on Mecum completed auctions or anything. So thank you for hanging on to it for what, a decade and a half, almost 2 decades. So and the previous owner, God bless him for having the peace of mind to store this. I could never do that. I'd want to ride it.
Yeah, how about it?
A wheelie machine. But we are going to go through it, give it a comp. If it's not sold before we get a chance to do it, because someone might call in and buy it, we'll run it off what we call the umbilical tank, so we don't put any fuel in the fuel tank. We'll clean the carb, put a new air filter in it, change the gear oil, give it a thorough cleaning, so there's no dust on it, which can cause corrosion if it gets wet. So we'll clean it immaculate, and then we'll fire. Stay tuned because there'll be another video of it running coming up soon. This is original crossbar pad too. Look at this thing. Original 45-year-old crossbar pad. That's what they looked like back then. Show them the speedo. 3.7 miles on it. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, I don't have anything.
Well, thanks for bringing it up and for choosing us to find a new home for it. So,
Yeah, well, I brought it up because I wanted to check your place out.
did you get a chance to walk through yet?
Yeah.
Did you go through both floors?
Yep.
What'd you think?
Impressive. Impressive. I've watched most of your videos.
Cool.
And yeah, pretty impressive place.
Did you check out the 490?
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
You gotta open the gas cap and sniff it. That's a proof. It smells like nothing but plastic. Never had fuel in it. That's another cool story. The guy who bought 2 of them and rode the wheels off of one and kept the brand new one in his living room for, well, what, 40 years?
That's the way to do it.
Yeah. Yep. And then when he passed away, his son had the bike and called us and said, listen, I don't have room to display it. Would you like to display it in the museum? So it's been here ever since. So we're honored to have it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you know of any other NOS bikes that need a new home, give me a call. I'm your Huckleberry. Thanks for watching. God bless America.